what's up? Welcome to another episode of I Wonder. In this episode, I am going to talk about the scopes that a computer science engineer has when he or she passes out his college. So, without wasting any more time, let's start. So, the students before passing their graduation examination, that is a final semester examination, they already get job offers from the private IT sector companies that come to their college for their recruitment drives. But there are some students who are willing to continue their studies, that is pursue either MTech or MBA. So what they do, they usually don't sit for these campus recruitment drives. They just prepare for either for GATE examination or for CAT examination in order to pursue MTech and MBA respectively. But there are some students who are willing to get into public sector. So what they do, or rather what they used to do earlier, was they used to complete their graduation, then they used to prepare for at least 1 year and then sit for the examinations like IBPS PO for bank, then UPSC for civil services, central government, then WBCS, that is the state government, West Bengal board civil service examination, etc. But nowadays what is happening from the last 1 or 2 years is for sitting in the examinations for government jobs, or rather public sector jobs in companies like SAIL, BHEL, then we have Coal India, then we have many other public sector companies who only allow those students to sit in their entrance examinations who have qualified GATE examination, and this has started from the last 1 or 2 years. And there is a rumor that in the upcoming years GATE examination will be mandatory to get the graduation certificate from the college. So that will be really a mess for the engineering students. Now, what are the scopes for a computer science engineer? What they can do, or rather which jobs they can apply for? A computer science engineer can apply for a various number of jobs. Okay, it's only a computer science engineer who has access to the most number of, or rather the most type of jobs available in the market. For example, a computer science engineer can pursue MTech and can join any college as a professor, or they can pursue the B.Ed degree and they can join any reputed school for teaching purposes. Okay, also they can complete their MTech and then PhD and can join as a research scholar in any reputed university. Okay, but if they don't want to continue higher studies, they can join many jobs after the graduation. For example, in any IT sector company, they can join as a front-end developer, as a back-end developer, as a web developer. Also, they can join as a software engineer, a project manager, or an engineering intern. A computer science engineer can join as a UI or UX designer. Okay. Also, computer science engineer can join as a business sales analyst, a business sales executive, and many other posts are there in the sales department or the marketing department. Now, the UI and UX developer, what they do, they develop the user interface for a particular website or the particular app. Okay, now that doesn't require that much coding abilities which is required for the post of a software engineer or a front-end developer or a back-end developer. Okay, a computer science engineer can also join as a software tester who will test the quality of a software designed by some other professionals. Okay, another scope for computer science engineers is that they can join as data analysts. They will be given large sets of data and they have to analyze that data and come to a conclusion that will be reported to a higher authority. Okay. Also, computer science engineer can act as a medium of communication between a client and a company. Okay, so what they will do, they will note down the requirements of the client and they will summarize those requirements to the company. Okay, so these are the very common scopes for a computer science engineer. There are many more. You can always search the internet, and you can also search the websites which inform you about various job opportunities available. Now, before completing graduation, that is in their last semester or the final year, you can say, they can join any leading companies as an intern. Now what it will help? It will help those students to get a job offer from those companies. Okay, now how they will get the job offer? They have to maintain a good performance record in that company during their internship. Now what will happen if the students can maintain a good performance record during their internship? Now when that company will start their off-campus drives, then that student who had done the internship with them, he or she will get the first priority. Okay. Now some of the companies, what they require is 2 or 3 internships or projects that the student has completed during his or her 4-year course. Now if those projects or internships are done with a reputed company, then that will be an additional perk for the student during the campus recruitment drives. Okay, so keep these things in mind and remember one thing: a computer science engineer is the only type of engineer who can apply for the most number of or most type of jobs available in the market. So if you are a computer science engineer, then don't lose hope. If you have not got a job in the campus recruitment drives, you can try for any job vacancy in the off-campus drives. So that was all for this video. Like it if you like this video and share it among your computer science engineer friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any future video. Thank you.